Alright, so today I want to teach you how to play the song We Give You We worship our God. Alright, so let's get to the keys. So today I'm going to be showing you that in the key of C sharp, and I've done this in some other keys before, but I'm sure you're going to learn something new if you keep watching this. So let's get to the keys and see what we have to do. So the key of C sharp, popularly known as D flat, has the note D flat, E flat, F, G flat, A flat, B flat, C, and then C, D flat. So like I did in the other tutorials, I'm going to do the same thing here. So that part that goes we give you all the glory, we worship you, our God, and you are worthy to be praised. So my bass line goes we give you all. So my bass line goes 3 flat 5 flat 6 then to 6, then the 5, then the 4, then re, that's a 3. So you can come to 2, then we 3 worship 4, you 2 are God 5, then you are worthy to be. Alright, so let's do more of chords now. So alright, so we're starting from 1, so you can play your normal chart, then we'll keep going deeper. So we, now that's for 3, so your bass line is we, so we have 3, I have 3 on my left, that's F, then on my right I have my triad. So let's go. We give. So the next chord is D flat, what's it called? Diminished chord. So on my left I have a G, on my right I have a D flat, E, and then A flat. We feel. So I'm going to show you a bonus here, but let me finish with the chords first. So the next chord is E flat dominant, E flat diminished 7 rather. So we have a A on the left, A flat, G flat, and C on the right. Then to 6, we have your 6 on the left, 3, 5, 6, 1. So, but let me show you a bonus I didn't do in the other ones I did before. So we're gonna do something like this. We give you. So instead of being we give you, you do we give. I love this piano sound. Alright, so I've shown you this chord 1, I've shown you this 2. So instead of going to this chord, we're gonna come from the top. So we're gonna come from E diminished 7 chord. So the drop 2. So drop this to the F. So we have then chromatically down, right, to this chord. Then so let's go. We give you all, we give you all. Can do this passing chord to the to 5, then la 4, then re. Then you can come to 1. Your 1. Your flatting 7, your 9, your 11, then we to 3 back, then wash, shape. We will now do this movement. So what chord am I playing? I'm doing A. This is what's it called? A major 6, flat 5 with a flat 5. So record. Okay, so we have a A, we have a D flat, we have a E flat, and then G flat. So I'm going from this chord to my 1, 5, 1, 3. So the bass line is going to do 2, 3, 4, 2, 5. Yeah, bless me, I'm blessed. So we have a 2, 3, 4, 2, 5. So up, you're still falling. So we have a we're gonna go from we give you all the glory that we worship. Then we do this. You are God. Then 5. So then you come to G dominant 7, G diminished 7, right? Then 5, then 6, right? Then to be so to be praised. The one called 1, 5, 7, and 3. So let me quickly go over what we learned today. So we learned we give all the glory. Then we worship you, our God. God bless you. Click the subscribe button for more. Bye.